Techno update. Subscribe now.
Bluboo X9 Review. Design and build. The black and gold effect is certainly stylish, although the X9's design is not without complaint. The rear cover is difficult to remove without it feeling as though the plastic hinges will snap, and the screen is a magnet for fingerprints. But we do like the 2.5D curved edges to the glass, which makes the transition between metal and glass much smoother. The rear cover snaps off to reveal a removable 2520 mAh battery, dual SIM, one full-size, one micro SIM, and microSD slots. The battery has a plastic tab for easier removal. It looks cheap and is unnecessary, but at least is hidden from view most of the time. Switched off, you can only just make out where the screen begins and the bezel stops. Turn it on and this full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel JDI IPS panel is a beauty for a 100 pounds phone. With a pixel pitch of 440 pits, incredibly clear, and the black theme runs right through to the apps tray. Even whites seem a little gray, although the screen is plenty bright and colors are fine. Viewing angles are excellent, too. Hardware and performance. It's easy to place too much emphasis on benchmarks, however, and especially when it comes to cheap phones such as this. For most tasks, the Bluboo X9's 1.3 GHz MediaTek MT6753 64-bit octa-core processor and 3 GB of RAM are more than up to the job. You'll find a small amount of lag with the usual suspects, such as launching the camera, but at all other times operation feels fluid. In our other benchmarks, the Bluboo scored 36,570 points in Antutu, 12 FPS in Xbench T-Rex, 4 FPS in Manhattan, and 19.785 in Jetstream. None is outstanding, but at this price none is an issue either. Arguably more impressive at this price point is the 16 GB of built-in storage, plus support for storage expansion via microSD. You'll be lucky to get 8 GB for the same money in the UK. The Bluboo is fitted with a 2520 mAh removable battery that should be good for a full working day. It doesn't support fast or wireless charging, which can hardly be expected in any case. Cameras. With 13MP and an LED flash at the rear, and 5MP at the front, on paper the Bluboo is miles ahead of some of its UK rivals. But there's more to it than the sheer number of megapixels, of course. Software. The Bluboo X9 runs a nearly stock version of Android 5.1 Lollipop, but with the addition of smart wake gestures. These are customizable, allowing you to draw a character on screen off and automatically wake an app of your choice, or you can stick to the likes of double tap to wake.